Hey, this is John down here in Florida. As you can see, winter's finally come because you can tell by all the green trees behind me. And I want to get out here and show you some of the color of the plants before all the leaves fall. When you live down south, you got to get used to seeing a lot of green, especially when you grow junipers like I do. But this trident maple showed a little bit of red color. It's pretty nice, but it's been beaten a little bit by the rain we've been having here. Going down, more trident. These are ones that have turned, they've already turned their color and they've started to drop their leaves. We don't usually get this kind of transition down here. Some that have stayed green, others that have gone to yellow, and a few really bright reds. Some of the elms have changed to a slightly more yellow color. And even the bald cypress got into the act by flushing out and dropping a lot of their leaves. More color in the tridents. And this is the ones we pulled out of the lower garden that we're going to work on next year, and they've flushed out very nicely. Where the real color popped was in our bonsai forest. They've done really great. We've got some really beautiful color there. Another bald cypress. And even a plant that I didn't think would be affected by anything. The wisteria is even showing some signs of winter. The leaves are shriveling up and changing to a lighter color. More as we go down the line here, but mostly green. Remember, switch to a low nitrogen fertilizer like a 0-10-10. The link will be in the show notes below. Remember to subscribe so you'll get notice as soon as a new episode comes out.